Alright, so this is the Wimaxit portable monitor that I bought like around like a month ago. Uh, I work on the goes a lot with my laptop for most of the time for video editing, but working on a small screen like this computer is sometimes it's not actually easy for me. So now it's so much easier for me to have the extra monitor with me, and it's very lightweight and very easy to put it inside my backpack with the computer, and I don't need any extra power cord. I can just use the computer Type C cable and go all the way here to the monitor, and it's gonna power up the whole thing together. And when I want to charge the computer, I can only need to plug the charger of the computer to the power the Type C power port right here, so it's gonna power up both things in the same time and also charge the computer as well. So let's talk about like how can I use this. Okay, basically you can see the mouse cursor, the cursor right here. I can move from this one to this one very easy because it's work smoothly with both screen, and I can, like when I do the video editing, I can put all of my effect, the files, the source over here, and the file and the all of the other effects library on this side, and I can use the whole monitor over here for the editing timeline and everything else. So it's so much easier than I put everything, the whole thing. Imagine like I put everything together in one screen. It's so much harder to work. And by the way, I can actually use when I go somewhere with my iPad right here, my iPad Pro right here. I can do exactly the same thing if I need an extra monitor, which is I can use the Type C connector from this one to this one, and I can use this as well. And sometimes, well, my son, he play on the Nintendo Switch, because the Nintendo Switch has a small screen, right? And he can plug it in here and play on this 13-inch. And this is so much easy, very convenient. And that's what I like a lot. It's very thin. We can see it here. It's very thin and very lightweight, and I like it a lot. And just put it up this way actually. Okay, and I can try to play something right here. This is my video that I can put in here and play it. Oh, by the way, it had the speaker on it too. You actually listening to the music from this monitor. And I can monitor all of the thing over here in the same time, and while playing over here. Highly recommend to use this thing to speed up and make your work easier. Thank you for watching.